That's it. File affidavit of service. Yes. I get down. Landed advocate for petitioner prays for an adjournment to file affidavit of service. Let the matter appear tomorrow.
Item 2, your particular control.
Tomorrow, why tomorrow? Sir, we should proceed. Service is not completed. As per the request on behalf of the landed advocate for the petitioner, date the matter will listed before the next. Why request was made? Bona fide service. On 5th November, direction was given to you to effect service. 30th September. Why service has not yet been completed, sir? Are you advocate on record?
Main concern.
Are you advocate on record?
Yes.
Then come forward. Come to. Why are you standing? On 3rd of the September, direction was given to sir. And we are in the month of December. We are in the month of December.
Yes, ma'am.
Still no affidavit of service has been filed.
Grant 1 day relief for only heard it matter tomorrow, madam. Just on number.
What is this? No, evidence of service has been filed and Kamla Sarkar and Sumitra Roy
Yes, ma'am.
has received.
Both, sir.
And what about the service on the other?
But there is 14 respondent, madam.
Yeah. What is in this matter? What is in this matter?
Civil irrigation, madam.
Civil
Irrigation, madam. I'm not the main concern.
You are not aware about. Okay. Yeah, similar order on the prayer of landed advocate for the petitioner. Let this matter adjourn for today. He is directed to file affidavit of service positively by tomorrow.
Get up.
Thank you.
Lord, I am appearing for the petition, my lord.
Sir.
Here, my lord, there are numerous respondents, my lord.
Yes.
I have served one of the Leonard Council who is appearing for some of the respondents. She has received service on their behalf.
Yes.
But another.
And what about the other?
Others, other advocates I have approached him, but they are denying, and service will take a
No,
consideration.
you serve on the individual on their postal addresses.
Difficulty because it's a short matter, my lord, but because of this.
No, matter will be short.
I will serve and come back.
Yeah, first of all, you have to serve on them. Na? And what about the other respondent against which landed advocate has received?
Yes, for some of the respondent, Babita Das is appearing, she has.
But they are also not represented.
Today they have not represented, she may be representing them.
No, on last day, none appears on their behalf.
No. Thereafter only I have served to one of the advocates.
One Miss Vinita Devi,
She is my junior.
okay, she was present on behalf of the petitioner.
I will serve the rest of the, take it next Wednesday, because it is Havelock, it's a different island. I have to serve and come back even.
So we would not get
No, if they
much
appeal, there is
time.
no, there is no scope for filing any opposition.
No, that's another thing. First, let them come. Na?
Yes, let them come.
So I am fixing it on Friday.
This Friday.
Yes.
This Friday, because speed post, different island, we even did not get the track report. Here the difficulty is, I send it to Delhi, I will get the track report. But if I send within these islands, I will not get the track report. Next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, we can take it now.
A learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve a copy of revisional application to the
Yes, sir, the
respondent.
notice, instead of
Notice along with copy of revisional application to the respondents through a speed post with AD at their respective postal addresses mentioned in the revisional application. And file affidavit of service by the adjourned date. Let this matter appear in list on 11th of December 2024.
There are 48 of 24. No, this matter.
Yes, sir.
Let it be after tomorrow. I have served the learned public prosecutor, but nobody is appealing today. Let it be after.
No, who is for the state?
But Sumit Karmakar is appealing today. I have not seen him in the court also.
But someone should be here, na? What is the
He has got some personal difficulty. He is not. Yeah. That's why he didn't came today.
no? Who is PP?
PP, he had Sumit Karmakar.
He is PP
Yes.
himself, and additional PP should also be there.
There is no additional picture.
Karmakar is a prepaid one. Today is actually the 1 year function of his father's death. So that's why he has not attended.
So some other additional PP should be here.
No additional PP is there.
Why? Only one PP?
Yes. Only one PP is.
Why? There is no
There is no such
no certain restriction in number.
but there is no such large number of cases.
Calcutta system is not there. We have group A, group B, group C, panel, PP, APP. Here, this is the small business. So
No, but we should try to
increase
evolve
amount
the
of
system
petition.
in Port Blair itself.
Yes.
Port Blair is also part of our judicial machinery, judicial system. So what is in this
Day after
matter?
tomorrow.
What is in this matter?
In this matter, I have initiated a complaint regarding forgery and cheating.
You are
I am,
petitioner.
yes, petition.
Yes.
So I have initiated a complaint pertaining to forgery, which has been made in this sale deed.
Yes. Then
On the basis of my complaint, an FIR was initiated.
Investigation,
Investigation conducted and they filed a final report saying that no offense is constituted.
tainted investigation.
Then I
Investigation.
filed a Narazgi petition before the London trial court. Trial court rejected my Narazgi petition. And the order of the trial court is the subject matter of this revision.
Yes. Come prepared. Very short.
Very short matter.
We can conclude.
Yes, yes. Day after
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Anand appears on behalf of the estate. Petitioner is represented by. Mention his name. Where is the affidavit of service?
No affidavit of service is not filed. You know.
But I am here on last order. The petitioner is directed to file.
Your Honor,
affidavit-
tomorrow I will file an affidavit of service.
Yes. You just file. Okay. Reasonably, no affidavit of service has been filed. He is directed to file affidavit of service. Learned advocate representing the estate is also directed to ensure his presence. To ensure his presence on adjourned date. Let the matter appear on day after tomorrow is 4th. 4th December.
Item 5, CO 48 of 2024. And for the applicants, as per order dated 14 November 2024, I was directed to send speed post to the respondents, which I sent on 18 November 2024. But postal track report is not available on the website. I was also directed to file affidavit service. Neither this returned to me nor any information is available. I pray after 2 days this may be fixed, I will ensure that it is delivered or not.
Check down. The net counsel for the petitioner is present and pays for an adjournment of 1 day to file affidavit of service. Full stop. He is unable to file affidavit of service today due to unavailability of postal track report. Let the matter appear in the track report. Huh? Appear on 4th. Yes.
Fourth, problem.
Item 6, CR 49 of 2024.
All for the petition, my lord.
Yes.
In item number 6, I'm seeing both the case, and pay for not today.
Why everyone come and praise for not today? Then
Senior is not there.
who is your senior?
It should Rohit Mohan.
Where he is?
He's going to Inter, I mean, Maya.
No. He was aware that today circuit bench will sit. His matter is listed. So he should be more
Tomorrow.
vigilant in respect of his case. No?
Tomorrow he is there.
Every day you will not get bench here. So on limited day. Okay. On the and what about the estate? Who is for the estate? Oh, only one Sumit Karmakar is the estate. Repeatable situation. Take down. Learned advocate for petitioner pays for an adjournment on the ground of his senior. None appears on behalf of the state. Let the matter adjourn for today. Only for today. Intimate your senior to grace this court tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
5 and 6. Item of 5 and 6.
5, 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
Item
Yes.
6
6 and 7 दोनों में एक ही ऑर्डर होगा.
The Lordship, my senior is appearing for the petitioner, your Lordship.
I am appearing for the respondent, my lord.
So both sides is here.
The Lordship-
I am happy to see both sides. At least you dare to appear.
Your Lordship, but my humble prayer would be that your Lordship will be posted on next week, your Lordship.
No,
My lord, there is a direction to file
no,
affidavit. in-
no such prayer.
My lord, there is a direction upon them to file affidavit in reply, so that ought to be filed.
So that will take at least 1 year.
That I don't know, they have to file. You know.
We are in 24. So 1 year should take. After this bench, you will get next
Yes,
bench
yes.
in next year. You are for the petitioner,
I am for the respondent, my lord.
respondent.
My senior is for the
Oh.
petitioner, your Lordship.
They have to file a reply to my,
The time to file reply to affidavit in opposition is extended by the period of 2 weeks. November 5, 2 weeks. Where is your affidavit in the opposition?
Your Lordship, 2 days accommodation will be given by Wednesday, we'll be filing the reply, your Lordship.
Why 2 days? File tomorrow. File tomorrow, sir. You are junior. You try to
Certainly,
do
your Lordship.
cases.
Yes, your Lordship, by tomorrow it will be filed.
Adi hai. And Navlendra Kumar Singh. One supplementary affidavit on behalf of the Navlendra Kumar Singh has been filed.
yes.
You
No, they.
you
Your
filed.
Lordship, I have.
Then
to-
what? Then what more is required? Then affidavit in opposition should be filed.
I filed it.
You filed.
Yes.
Then everything is there.
No,
Affidavit.
they shot for time on the last occasion when the matter was taken up. They shot for five,
Who will file?
they shot time to file affidavit in reply to my opposition.
Nothing appears from this order. Okay. So you file your affidavit in opposition.
Your Lordship, the petitioner hearing is not in these islands, your Lordship, at present, he is in Delhi. So, your Lordship, in order to procure.
He may be anywhere. You are here.
Your Lordship, in order to file the affidavit. reply-
Petitioner is represented by you, sir. Petitioner may be anywhere. Why are you asking for
Your
petitioner?
Lordship, in the affidavit for, along with that reply, the signature of the petitioner has to be there, your Lordship. The affidavit accompanying the reply, your Lordship.
Then I will proceed ahead without any affidavit in reply.
Your Lordship, of being.
You cannot play a safe game in the name of your petitioner.
Lordship, my humble prayer will be, your Lordship.
No,
all
no,
the
no prayer,
accommodation
no
will be-
prayer. No humble prayer should be interpreted. It is more than 2 weeks. Direction was given on 5th of the November. Now we are on 2nd of the December. Till now you cannot manage to get signature of your petitioner. Then this matter we decided on the material level on record. Not any. So I am adjourning this matter only for today. will appear on tomorrow, come prepare. Do whatever you need. Okay,
My humble prayer will be considered, Your Worship, next week, Your Worship.
next week can. Day after tomorrow. Take your all endeavor to get signature of your we take now. Learned advocate for the petitioner.
इस मैटर में भी टाइम तो होता है।
नहीं ये तो इसमें आ गया ना जी, ये तो इसमें आया ऑर्डर शीट में, ये तो 10/11/6/23 को है। ये तो आया ही होगा, तो इसको आज देने का जरूरत नहीं। तो 23 is your supplementary affidavit? Yes. Is your supplementary affidavit has taken on the record?
मतलब supplementary affidavit was filed by them.
No, filed by on behalf of the petitioner. Who is?
I am respondent here.
You are respondent.
Filed by the petitioner.
My lord, actually,
Whether this supplementary affidavit has been taken on the record or not.
there was a direction they have taken to file a supplementary affidavit, but whether it was taken on record, I think doubt.
When you filed it?
It was filed long back.
Yes, in the year of 2023. Already on record. In which order? How can you say that it is already on record? Without giving any direction to take it on the record, maybe every document should be filed in registry office or in department. They place it before the bench. Bench will pass order and give direction to take it on the record. Otherwise, it cannot be treated as the part of the record. I am not getting such order here. Really? 30th April 2024.
तो नहीं रहता हो तो कहाँ रहता? तो कहाँ रहता रहते हैं? सारा फाइल दे दो, डॉक्यूमेंट ठीक करके दे दो.
Yes, it has been taken. June 11, 2024, supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner is taken on the record. SEO should be aware about that. Thereafter, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number U.
File.
If you file supplementary affidavit in opposition, did you file?
Yes,
Where it is?
it is there.
ये SEO साहब, ये देखो तो supplementary affidavit in opposition को है. Where is this document?
Respondent has filed.
Affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent to the supplementary affidavit. When did you file?
Well, I think in the month of July 2023.
2023? No, supplementary affidavit was filed in the month of June
I filed
24.
July 24. There was a specific direction to file within a time frame.
Yes. One day of first July 2024.
Well,
Let me see. The request of the it has not been taken on the record till now. Learned advocate for the petitioner is present and prays for an adjournment. Yes. Are you suffering from hard of hearing? তাহলে তো বলেই যাবে না এদিকে কান রাখুন হ্যাঁ learned advocate for the petitioner is present and prays for an adjournment to file reply to the supplementary reply to affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 1 to the supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner on 11th June 2024. Because the same is not ready till now due to want of signature of his client. Let the matter adjourned till 5th of December 2024. I am giving you 2 days. You take all necessary steps and file the same on the next date. Otherwise, we will proceed for hearing of this matter without your affidavit. Agarlikul. The affidavit in opposition, learned advocate for respondent number 1 is present. He filed affidavit in opposition in compliance of the direction not compliance. He filed an affidavit. आगे के दिखेছেন আপনি
the matter, I do think it's of this one to say that so, earlier I wrote it for the explanation one, to find the police, the in opposition in complaint of the rights,
Well, he filed affidavit
in opposition.
in opposition in court. When you filed?
1st of July 2024, what has been fallen from my
On
lord,
first of
July 2020.
No, on that day. You had taken affirmation before the.
My lord, the moment we affirm, we leave it there itself. Thereafter, the registry places it before we put.
In the month of July. Let the affidavit in opposition. Yes, yes. Let the affidavit in opposition. Taken on the record. Let the matter appear in the list on 5th of December under the same heading. Parties are directed to complete.
Right.
Are directed to come prepare. Come prepare. Yes.
Item 9, CR 22/164.
Yes.
When it comes to voting against for the respondent state CBI. Lord,
CBI. Who is for the CBI?
I think that's.
CBI is responding. On last date, Mr. M. Shihi
That's.
on behalf of Rakesh Pal Govind. You are? Oh. Yes. And who is for the Stone Darba? You are? Yes. Yes. What is your prayer?
Our prayer is Mr. Govind has went to mainland for his son's admission, college admissions times are going on. And he has.
We cannot wait for his presence. We should proceed.
The thing is.
We are not bothered where he is.
I go down to my lord's, but my lord, my number.
No. Was he not aware that this matter will appear today in the bench?
There are many flat exams and.
We are not concerned about his planning and movement.
Council appointed matter, my lord. That's why I can't also refer it. I'm not the council.
You people only want to initiate case against any person, then you start wandering here and there.
Vision.
Yes, revision. Revision against
Vision against
your case.
An order taken. But if we.
You have initiated case against him. 7 cases under PC Act. 10,000, 40,000 rupees has been deposited in the account of his brother and son.
I'm not the.
You may have difficulty, but bench it. Do not. We proceed. Call your senior by tomorrow.
The weather conditions also.
I do not understand any weather condition. No, no.
It is not possible. That's.
Not possible, then we'll pass order. Then we'll pass order. No genuine reason.
We are unable to supplement people that because he has gone for that exams and all.
You tell him to make any arrangement. If he will not be here, some other person may represent CBI Otherwise, I will note his absence in my order sheet and send your office. This is not place of mockery. Mind it.
You are going down to that. Some time has,
No time will be given.
he has, maybe.
No, sir, no time will be given.
We are not trying to evade this code, my lord. That is not our intention, but.
No time will be given.
We are asking-
Follow the direction of code. No time will be given. Why?
For the office-
In 1 month, 15 days, the people of Andaman and Nicobar getting the facility of this bench. And during that 15 days, you all have very urgent works to go mainland, to admission for treatment.
That's our misfortune, my lord. There are no centers
No,
for
no.
law exams here in the islands. We are very bad regards. For each and every admission for law colleges, we have to go to mainland.
For that, bench will not consider.
The on personal ground, that's why.
No
Yeah.
personal ground, sir, no personal ground. In court, there is no personal ground. In personal affair, I could be.
Going down to that.
This court is not running at the mercy of me or you. This court is running for the people, for litigant persons, for the reason of judicial system. We cannot compromise with judicial system on the trivial grounds of some problem with U and X and Y and Z. We cannot compromise. Please try to understand, try to be more sensible. Where we are going? They are enjoying their visit, mainland, this land, that land. There are so many lands. We are not concerned for that. We are concerned for this court land. Tell them to be remain present. Seven and 8 matters are here.
All, arising out of the same transaction.
So you prepare yourself. Why are you waiting for?
Since appointed by, this the council appointed by CPA. The difficulty, if it was our office matter, we could have taken. But I am not empowered to do. Just that's why asking for.
So who is the other concept for the CBI? So should I write to your department?
My lord, that would be a greater step, my lord, we are not trying to evade this point, that I am giving on for.
No, you can't. You can't evade the order of this court. Court is not so weak that everyone come and evade the order of court.
We are obliged to give up, my lord.
You can't. Never you dare to evade.
That is be in the next week, later one.
No.
It could be, I'll again have to come before my lord, so stating the same thing.
Then I
because
will pass order.
he has-
I will pass order.
Short notice, that's why. That is
He
why-
has to come. Don't make him.
Next week, my lord, next week.
No, no, sir. No, sir. Day after tomorrow, exam. And you come prepare on the exit.
Can be-
Day after tomorrow, no. I am giving 1 day adjournment only
Monday.
considering
My
your.
lord also knows the situation of airlines and everything. My lord.
Okay, it's all right.
My lord, next week, my lord.
No, no,
My lord.
no. No, he is not present. He was not present even on the last date.
He was under medical, and I can produce documents from all. We are.
So this person should not retain as the PP for CBI. You come day after tomorrow, otherwise I will pass a strict order against him.
Can be my senior, my lord, let it be in the next week.
No. What the mockery is going on? Since last several days, he is not appearing. On 27th September, he was not here. What he is thinking of? What is your submission?
On the version of the time is next week, it can be fixed.
You tell your submission, not the submission of respondent.
As
You are petitioner.
Correct.
Learned advocate for the petitioner is present. Learned. What is his designation? PP.
Counsel for the seat.
Learned counsel for the CBI. CBI গোটা লিখবেন সেন্ট্রাল ব্যুরো অফ ইনভেস্টিগেশন আমি সিবিআই বলছি বাট আপনি ওখানে গোটা লিখবেন হ্যাঁ learned advocate for the CBI is not present. However, then in what capacity you are submitting here?
Here, it's gone.
No, you can't.
There's no one else.
But
My lord.
Mr. M. Shihir,
However,
however, Mr. M. Shihir stated to be junior, to his junior is present in praise for an adjournment on the ground of personal inconvenience of learned counsel for the CBI. দেখবেন যদি রিপিট হয়ে গেছে তো ওখানে প্রোনাউন দিয়ে দিতে হবে আচ্ছা আপনি করেন What is in this case?
This is we are challenging the affair, the causing of the affair. On the same set of facts, the present petitioner, they have been already arraigned in the 2018. They have been charged with an affair of the lodged against the main accused, the father of the petitioners, and the mother and the son. The affair was lodged and again in the year 2024.
No, what happened to that FIR?
The charges have been filed.
Charge sheet,
And they are
trial started?
trial started. But now in 2024, my lord, to again come with again fresh FIR on the same sets of facts. So we are come before the causing of the affair on the ground of Jabal Jafar.
Second FIR or first FIR?
The second affair, subsequent affair. Because the first affair there is there. But on the same sets of facts, the CBI has again filed FIR and charged it on the same accused and on the same sets of facts. For that purpose, we are.
Yeah, come prepare on next date. কি বললাম? হ্যাঁ
adjournment on ground of inconvenience of learned counsel.
I am not going to pass detail order. Otherwise, I could have mentioned his absence and defying the authority of court as it appears from last several orders. So I am leaving this time. If he will not appear on next date, then I can't. No.
We'll positively. 2 days. Not. That's my humble.
I consider your prayer for 2 days and you convince him to come come on the next day. Otherwise,
But in such case, Can it not six? Friday, then it goes six.
Six.
Six of December.
No. No
Just-
further,
Just to.
No further
facilitate
resolve.
the plan.
no further. 4 is sufficient. You convince him to come on,
Calculate full amount if it is 6 months.
not possible. Very well, 6. 6. Great. THA,
Mr. Fahid. With Junior.
present and place for adjournment.
Information for family council
Ah.
for Syrian.
Raise for an adjournment. Let the matter adjournment for 4 days. Let adjournment for 4 days.
And place for action on the ground of information for family council for the Syrian. You have the following.
Of 4 days.
Of 40.
Let the matter appear on 6th. Under the same heading, parties are directed to come prepare.
Any other question?
Thank you.
We have filed an application under Article 422 for crossing of the FI.
You are for the
Petition.
petition.
Other side is India, PP.
He is on on the mainland.
No, but,
Oh, learned PP. Estate is there. Petitioner is. Not today. Come to.
I can take it,
Yes.
This is a very interesting point of law. Very fine point of law. The only difficulty is there is one technical problem.
On in 19.
Uh,
19. Item number 19.
18,
18.
here are 23 of 2020.
Yes. তখন কোন ছিল?
18.
ও 70 ছিল। Sorry. 18. Yes.
So Manoj, this is a matter, a very fine point of law under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
Who is for the respondent? Union of India?
Earlier, this matter was being handled by a counsel from Calcutta. I tell your lordship very candidly, there were probably some miscommunications. Someone did not appear, the matter was dismissed for default. Thereafter, the matter has been restored from Calcutta. The record has been transferred here. Now I have been engaged. Now, we had appeared, Bernard and I appeared in November, on the 14th of November, the last order sheet is there. So on that date, when we had appeared, it is as if a fresh motion, we have argued the matter. Now, on that day, the Honorable Court observed that although on the earlier occasion, there were directions for service, those directions for service were probably not complied with. So my lord said, see, at this stage, we are not going to consider your prayer for stay because matter has not been properly handled. This is for default, no service. So you serve and come back. We are giving you liberty to renew your prayer for stay. Now the advocate on record has sent me from Calcutta the affidavit of service which has been affirmed at Calcutta. Now,
No.
this is-
Why? The parties are.
the parties are all outside. It is actually a company based in Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. Now, this company, the petitioner number 1, it manufactures medicines. So this company has its petitioners, the petitioners 2, 3, and 4, residing at Haryana and Himachal. Then the first respondent is the Union of India, but the other 3 respondents.
So
are
why
state.
Drugs and Cosmetics Act?
It's a very interesting case. This is the situation where a particular medicine was manufactured at Himachal Pradesh.
Hmm.
Thereafter, that medicine was sourced by a local franchisee dealer.
Hmm.
That person obtains the medicines and then he sells it over here.
Hmm.
Now he has supplied it over here to some other hospital or clinic. Now over there, a raid was done to check the quality of the medicines. So they have taken one particular type of medicine for testing, and that one was sent to the Central Drugs Laboratory. Now in the Central Drugs Laboratory, the testing was done. In the testing, it has passed all the tests, except one test about how long it takes the tablet to dissolve in water.
Hmm.
Now, this is strictly still to not part of the specifications of the drug, but on that basis, notice was issued under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act that this is the solution. Now, this particular petition deals with an interesting question here. My lord knows better than me the law relating to vicarious liabilities of companies and the law relating to directors.
No, so why section 22 is attracted here?
No, the situation here is the way they have made out the offences is actually incorrect. What the actual offence they are trying to portray, they are saying 18, 16, 34 and 27D. It will actually be 27D with regard to adulterated spurious medicine. But the issue here flows from section 34 of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
Hmm.
The reason is, your lordships know with regard to vicarious liability of directors of a company, what is the usual law? That if you are
Yes.
in charge of and responsible for the day-to-day affairs of the company, you would be
But in
vicariously
criminal law, there is no concept of vicarious liability.
liable. No, that is true, but your lordships are also aware that through judge-made law, there has been a process of evolution where after the judgments relating to 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act,
It's a
406,
quasi-
409, 420.
Quasi civil in nature.
Yes, so that is why after the judgments in Harman, National Panasonic, Iridium, Motorola, these judgments have evolved certain principles to demonstrate vicarious liability. But the point is, there are 2 or 3 statutes in India which are unique statutes. One of those is Drugs and Cosmetics Act. The reason being, the Drugs and Cosmetics Act creates a separate set of liability because it was the legislative intent that who is actually making that medicine, that person will be liable. So under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, I will take your lordships through the entire thing. The Drugs and Cosmetics Acts and the Drugs.
But in absence of other side, there is no use to.
That is the.
Yeah. So other side is Union of India.
Union of India and there are 3 private respondents as well, who have
So-
also been served.
Well, at least Union of India should be represented. No?
Now, I tell you, lordship, what is the difficulty? As per the affidavit of service sent to me, the service has been effected on 16th of November. The hearing was on 14th of November. On 16th of November itself, service has been done. I have got the soft copy of the affidavit of service. The hard copy is coming by post from Calcutta. So
Yes.
it is not in my hand. If your lordship grants me the leave, although it's strictly, technically it's not proper, I can furnish the printout of the affidavit of service, at least to demonstrate that I have complied with the court's order.
Yes. What about the tracking report?
Tracking report is showing delivered. I've got that as well in the soft copy.
So presumption may be taken.
Yes, so if your lordship allows.
We
me
may
to
drop
proceed, I will
presumption
proceed.
of good service.
Then I may proceed.
Yes, first you file affidavit of service. And who will represent the Union of India in this case? Why not you consult the legal law department here?
There are certain councils who are appointed by the Union of India who usually appear. So there are several of them who usually would.
Do you serve notice to the office of the, I don't know, they are yeah,
The-
legal reimburse, LR offices, they are in Calcutta.
Here, actually, we cannot serve it on LR because, pardon me for saying.
LR is here. Post of LR is here.
No,
No.
but in this matter, this is Drugs and Cosmetics Act, so it has to go to drug controller. Drug controller is a central authority, they won't come under LR. LR is for.
No, but nodal agency is the law department. And he will consult the.
Central drugs controller member, this is coming under central government. So we have served it at office of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, Drug Inspector, East Zone, Nizam Palace, 7th floor. Has been served.
You,
If we serve on the state, it will serve no purpose because they will say this is Union of India.
state means UT means Union of India.
Different departments, different compartments, different people would appear.
I think one notice is required to be served
If
openly.
you also directs me, I have no difficulty, I will serve. Here, in fact, it is in my interest to complete the service because there is an excellent point of law I can show you lordship right now, which is my intention for the state.
Yes, yes.
If your lordship permit me, I can just demonstrate that.
I also want to hear you on this matter.
If your lordship permits me, I can just briefly introduce that. I'll come with the printout of the affidavit of service. Even on last
File to
occasion,
go-
madam, I got stuck only because of the service issue.
Yeah, good points are there. File affidavit of service tomorrow and take all necessary steps at least to Union of India represent.
Sipalan is there here. He usually appears for information. Okay, if your lordship directs, I will give.
But
you a-
unless a department does not interest him.
No, the problem is Central Drug Control Organization. I don't think it exists over here. It is there at Calcutta. We come under the Calcutta office. So we served it at their office. Now I don't understand why they are not following up the matter.
But learned advocate of Port Blair may only appointed to represent in this
If
case.
your lordship
No one can
directs-
come from Calcutta and
No,
that
we
will
do
not.
not do that. If your lordship so directs, it can be done like this, matter directly to serve him a notice, let him appear. Your lordship will direct the officers to regularize his appointment. Let him take the instruction. In the meantime,
Already
I will serve.
direction was given. Merely partner.
Direction was that I should serve afresh and come back and then only ask for stay.
Yes. So first you file your affidavit of service, thereafter we
Yes,
discuss.
but my lord would kindly grant that liberty to file an informal copy. Till that hard copy original, because it was affirmed before Road Commissioner at Calcutta. The hard copy has been sent by post. That's why I asked the advocate on record there, at least to send me soft copy, I can show something to the court that I have complied. A hard copy is in the post, and honestly speaking, I don't know when it is.
No, hard copy of?
The affidavit of service that is affirmed before Road Commissioner there at Calcutta.
Why? Is there no notary public and oath commissioner? In
There
here
are
in
two
this.
problems. The first problem is after the latest circulars, after the COVID time, we cannot file affidavits from notary public. That is one problem. Second problem is because this advocate on record is at Calcutta, that is why I'm handicapped. Otherwise, Mr. Prasad is there, through Mr. Prasad, I could have done it. This is why the matter got dismissed for default at that time also. One advocate is at Calcutta, one advocate is here, one advocate is there. This is how matter is going. Now I have been briefed to argue on the point of law and still I am constrained by all the technical issues that one lawyer is there. If your lordship does not take me amiss, I can show your lordship the affirmed affidavit. Soft copy is there. This one I find.
But how could we accept soft copy or informal copy as a
until
part
the
of
hard
this
copy
record?
comes.
As a part of this record.
Until the hard copy comes, my lord, I undertake to file the hard copy as soon as it comes.
Oh, that can be. When the hard copy will come?
Speed post is 300.
Uh,
I have the number, my lord, affidavit number S62859, affirmed before the Oath Commissioner on 26 November 2024. That is with me.
So
Yes, just for your lordship.
it is better to wait for 2 days. And by Thursday, I think you will get everything. And you file affidavit of service in the meantime. And if you have any written notes of argument, then you can file in the meantime, so that I could prepare myself. And
Would your lordship be pleased to hear me first? I
yeah,
can just introduce the subject.
but a hearing will not be fruitful. unless I would be in position to pass any order.
And I'll do this. I'll make some short bullet points.
Yes, yes.
Instead of a detailed written.
Yes.
I'll just make the bullet.
That
point.
will help me a lot.
The bullet point, if your lordship so desires, I can submit that tomorrow to your lordship's officer. And
Not desire, since we are getting 2 days in our hand. In the meantime, if possible, you prepare a short note. Yeah.
I'm ready, I just need to type.
Submit for
I can submit.
and
tomorrow
I will
at
go
7.
through with those points, and thereafter we'll proceed.
Tomorrow at the time of mentioning, I will submit it.
But
so
you
it can-
try to inform Union of India so that someone should appear or represent.
Will your lordship
Union
give me a
of India
direction-
should be represented.
Will your lordship give me a direction to serve Mr. Sripal?
Now, already direction is given.
No, no, that is to serve. I'm saying to give a
No,
notice to Mr.
I
Sripal.
cannot say name of any particular.
No, because he is usually appearing for the Union of India. But can say to serve Mr. Sripal who usually appears for the Union of India.
But you file your update service, there are two things.
Because my lord, I
If
want to
a-
keep my prayer for the implemented alignment.
Entry order?
I was at that stage, my prayer
No.
for stay was turned down that the notice is not complete, that after.
So
notice-
where is your petition for stay? Fresh, renew the prayer for stay after service of notice.
Yes, ma'am.
First
That
you
is why-
comply the service of notice, thereafter you renew, then
why the
order-
subject will be-
order is like that.
No, that's why the order allows me to renew my prayer, my lord. So,
After service of notice, first you have to,
my lord, in the process of waiting for these things, on the circuit will be over.
this is the order, how can I?
Can grant me that liberty to make my prayer for the interim order.
No liberty can be granted at this moment. First
Let
of
me
all,
come back day after tomorrow, your lordship will hear me on the point of law, then your lordship will consider, because there is a genuine point of law and a genuine case matter.
no, I understand your. But unless we comply the direction of the coordinate page,
I'm compliant, I have served, if they are not appearing, my lord.
where is the affidavit of service? You have served? Yes. Call the list. Other time will. Could we continue? একে রাখুন ইয়ে ফিফথ লিখুন respondent is not represented. Landed advocate for petitioner দেখি রেকর্ডটা দেখি yes respondent is not respondents are not represented. Learned advocate for petitioner is present and sought an adjournment, adjournment and sought adjournment.
I would not say I'm seeking a German model. I'm only saying that I'm handicapped because I don't have the hard copy. But I'm
So,
ready to do the matter.
Should I dictate the same? Submits that he is unable to file, petitioner submits that he is unable to file affidavit of service, short কেটে দিন adjournment তো উনি চাইছেন না, and he submits that he is unable to file affidavit of service for the want of hard copy of affidavit yet to receive from Calcutta. Let this matter appear on fifth. Okay?
I'm very good.
Thank you.
Item 19. Yeah, festival appointment next Friday. Block of six and all. Regarding the outcome of the
Eh?
already mentioning matter.
Blood pressure. I am also suffering from blood pressure. But I am sitting. Not today. ঠিক আছে, learned advocate for the on the prayer of the learned advocate for the petitioner, let this matter adjourn for today. And what about 20?
20, yeah.
None appears on behalf of the parties. Petitioner is directed to remain present on tomorrow. This matter will appear in the list tomorrow.